In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to cord emojis on desktop. Emoji reactions are a quick, lightweight way to acknowledge a message, show support, or add a bit of tone without typing a full reply. They help keep conversations tidy and make it clear when you agree, appreciate, or want to highlight something important. Start by finding the specific message you want to react to. Move your mouse or trackpad pointer directly over that message. On desktop, hovering is what triggers the small message menu to appear. You'll usually see it pop up near the right side of the message or along a compact toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, pause for a moment with your cursor on the message and make sure the app window is active. In that message menu, look for the Add Reaction icon. It's the smiley face with a little plus sign. Click it. This opens the Emoji Picker, a panel where you can browse or search. Think of the picker as your control center for reactions. You'll typically find a search bar at the top, a grid of emoji in the middle, and helpful groupings or recent options for faster access. Now choose your emoji. If you already know exactly what you want, click into the search field and start typing a keyword such as thumbs up, check, or party. As you type, the results will filter so you can zero in quickly. If you're not sure yet, scan your frequently used section. That area remembers the emojis you reach for most, so it's often the fastest path. When you see the one you want, click it once. Your reaction is immediately added beneath the message, and everyone in the conversation will see it. There's also a faster path when you spot an emoji that's already on the message. Look just below the message content for the small row of existing reactions. If the emoji you want is already there, simply click that same emoji. This quick react bumps the count and adds your reaction without opening the picker. It's perfect for signaling agreement or acknowledgement in a single click. That's all there is to it. Hover to reveal the menu, click the smiley with a plus to open the picker, search or choose from frequently used, and use quick react when the emoji you want is already applied. With these simple moves, you'll respond faster, reduce clutter, and keep conversations clear and expressive.